And then I started working in hotels as a houseman, which was a guy who would take the dirty laundry from the housekeepers and then give them new, clean laundry or whatever. So then I graduated from that to being a maintenance guy, the guy that would go in the rooms and fix anything that was broken. So somehow I got into the HVAC stuff, and I was, this guy was kind of showing me things about it, and I wanted to know more and more and more. So he was showing me more, and I liked it.